Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best RJ45 connector you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Basis BS-OH121. Let's get started. Product feature. It works with almost any Ethernet standard you have, including Cat8, Cat7, Cat6, and Gigabit cables, making it incredibly versatile for any home or office setup. The smart female-to-female design lets you connect two cables instantly, creating a secure link without needing any extra tools or professional help. Experience true plug-and-play simplicity that takes the stress out of networking, allowing you to extend your reach quickly and hassle-free. You can extend your network connections up to a massive 100 meters, which is perfect for reaching those far corners of your home or workspace. Even with the extra distance, you get blazing speeds of up to 1,000 megabytes per second and 100 megabits per second, ensuring your downloads hit up to 125 megabytes per second without skipping a beat. The enhanced metal shielding is a lifesaver, cutting out interference to give you a crystal clear signal and a much smoother online experience. It's a dream for gamers because it prevents frame drops and annoying lag, giving you the stable bandwidth you need for competitive play. Pros. You'll love how this little gadget saves you from buying expensive long cables by letting you use what you already have. It's incredibly reliable, keeping your internet fast and stable even across long distances. The metal shielding provides peace of mind, knowing your connection is protected from interference for a smooth, frustration-free experience every single day. Cons. While it's a powerhouse for extending reach, it is another physical point in your setup, so you'll want to ensure both connected cables are in good shape to keep things perfect. Also, because it's a specialized coupler, it is best for those who specifically need to lengthen existing runs rather than creating new ones. Final thoughts. Imagine never having to worry about your connection cutting out in the back room again. This Basis connector gives you the freedom to move your setup anywhere without losing that precious high-speed connection. It's a small investment that brings huge relief, ensuring your work, gaming, and streaming remain completely uninterrupted. You deserve a network that just works, and this helps you get there. Get the connection you've always wanted today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful tech tips. See you in the next one.